all of that being said, never having been in this type of position, I was very happy to find out that there was a CRM that was designed for this, that was provided, not provided, but included with the onboarding at IFPG.
Yep.
So Client Tether has been super valuable to me because the level of organization that it provides and keeping track of people and leads, it can become overwhelming if you don't have a good system.
Yep.
And, Client Tether provides those things as far as leads in the pipeline that are active, inactive, people that are interested in the future, setting reminders, the automation. The level of automation is invaluable, right? I mean, how many messages are going out per day that I don't have to do?
Yep.
Just one click, move them into X, Y, and Z campaign, and it's done for me.
Yep.
So, when you think about how much it costs, whatever, couple $100 a month, few $100 a month, whatever it is,
Yeah.
there's no way that I could pay somebody that little to be doing this level of follow-up.